Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DSL English Mastery. Friends, in this video we will learn basic English sentences. So without delay, let's get started. Our first sentence is आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो. Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो. Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना. Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ. Have a seat. Have a seat. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. समय पर आना. Be on time. Be on time. जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. इसे संभालो. Handle it. Handle it. इसे पकड़ो. Hold it. Hold it. सावधान रहो. Be careful. बी केयरफुल, धीरे चलो, वॉक स्लोली, वॉक स्लोली, जरा रुको, जस्ट वेट, जस्ट वेट, इसे करो, डू इट, डू इट, ऐसा मत करो, डोंट डू लाइक दिस, डोंट डू लाइक दिस, इसे अभी करो, डू इट राइट नाउ, डू इट राइट नाउ, इसे फिर से करो, डू इट अगेन, डू इट अगेन, इसे दोबारा मत करना, डोंट डू इट अगेन, डोंट डू इट अगेन, मेरे पास 2 कार है, I have 2 cars, I have 2 cars, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, I have 2 children, I have 2 children, मेरा इंतजार करो, wait for me, wait for me, मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता, I can't wait, I can't wait, उसका इंतजार करो, wait for him, wait for her, मुझे इसकी जरूरत है, I need it, I need it, क्या तुम्हें इसकी जरूरत है, do you need it, do you need it, तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत है, you need to go, you need to go, वह आ रहा है, he is coming, he is coming, वह जा रहा है, he is going, he is going, वे लोग आएंगे, they will come, they will come, क्या तुम आ सकते हो, can you come, can you come, यह मेरा फर्ज है, it is my duty, it is my duty, मैं अभी गया हूँ, I am gone now, I am gone now, मुझसे मिलो, meet me, meet me, मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ, I want to meet you, I want to meet you, मुझे वहाँ मिलना है, I want to meet you there, I want to meet you there, मुझे पूरा विश्वास नहीं है, I am not sure, I am not sure. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. He called me. आधा मुझे दो. Give me half. Give me half. क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you walk with me? Will you walk with me? मम्मी से पूछना पड़ेगा. Have to ask mom. Have to ask mom. मैं तुम्हारी पोल खोल दूंगा. I will expose you. I will expose you. चलो वहां चलते हैं. Let's go there. Let's go there. तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. No problem. It's okay. No problem. जैसी तुम्हारी इच्छा. As you wish. As you wish. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. यह संभव है. It is possible. It is possible. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. किसी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. अपना ख्याल रखना. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. मुझे एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. क्या तुम वहां हो? Are you there? Are you there? काम पर वापस जाओ. Go back to work. Go back to work. रोज नई चीजें सीखो. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वह अब नहीं रहा. He is no more. He is no more. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ. I am sad to hear. I am sad to hear. ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? फालतू बात मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा पढ़ सकता हूँ. I can read your face. I can read your face. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. अभी मतलब अभी. Now means now. Now means now. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ. I am very lucky. I am very lucky. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. मेरी चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. जबान संभालो. Mind your language. Mind your language. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. यह मेरा फैसला है. This is my decision. This is my decision. लाइट बंद कर दो. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. मुझे यह वाला पसंद है. I like this one. I like this one. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did good job. You did good job. Friends, if this video is helpful for you, don't forget hit the like button and share this video to your friends. Don't forget subscribe this channel. और इस एक सेंटेंस का इंग्लिश आपको बनाना है। मैं खुश हूँ। तैयार हो जाओ। गेट रेडी। गेट रेडी। इसे अपने पास रखो। कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ। कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ। यह तो बस शुरुआत है। इट इज जस्ट द बिगनिंग। इट इज जस्ट द बिगनिंग। तुमने सारी हदें पार कर दी। यू हैव क्रॉस्ड ऑल लिमिट्स। यू हैव क्रॉस्ड ऑल लिमिट्स। क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? डू यू वॉच टीवी? डू यू वॉच टीवी? समझने की कोशिश करो। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। इसे बदल लो। चेंज इट। चेंज इट। इसे नीचे रखो। कीप इट डाउन। कीप इट डाउन। सच बोलो। स्पीक द ट्रूथ। स्पीक द ट्रूथ। मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रूथ। आई एम टेलिंग द ट्रूथ। मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? मैं आसपास था। I was around. I was around. अपना मूड ठीक करो। Set your mood. Set your mood. लाइट चली गई। There is a power cut. There is a power cut. पंखा चला दो। Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. कमरा साफ करो। Clean the room. Clean the room. पानी ले आओ। Bring water. Bring water. मेरे लिए चाय बनाओ। Make tea for me. Make tea for me. चाय ठंडी हो रही है। The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. यह अजीब है। This is strange. This is strange. मैं आपको जानता हूँ। I know you. I know you. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं आपको अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ। I know you very well. I know you very well. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a big thing for me. This is a big thing for me. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something fishy. There is something fishy. तुम बहुत आलसी हो. You are so lazy. You are so lazy. आलसी मत बनो. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. तुम उसी लायक हो. You deserve this. You deserve this. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me take some rest. Let me take some rest. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? यह मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. It is not my fault. It is not my fault. मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me. Stay with me. मुझसे दूर मत जाओ. Don't go away from me. Don't go away from me. बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little while longer. Just a little while longer. उससे माफी मांगो. Apologize to him. Apologize to her. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. मैं तुम्हें माफ नहीं कर सकता. I can't forgive you. I can't forgive you. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your things. Pack your things. क्या आप होश में हैं? Are you conscious? Are you conscious? मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Don't make fun. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your things. Pack your things. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me take a rest. Let me take a rest. मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Don't make fun. क्या आप होश में हैं? Are you conscious? Are you conscious? यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे यह कहने दो. Let me say it. Let me say it. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. यह किसका घर है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? यह मेरा घर है. This is my house. This is my house. यह बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. आप जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering? आप चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. यह खुशी के आंसू है. These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. छुपाओ मत. Don't hide. Don't hide. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. मुझसे मत छुपाओ. Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. खुलकर बोलो. Speak openly. Speak openly. यह रहा आपका पैसा. Here is your money. Here is your money. अपने पैसे गिन लो. Count your money. Count your money. पैसा पेड़ पर नहीं उगता. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. यह मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. It's my fault. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. आप इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हो. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. बात को बढ़ाओ मत. Don't escalate the matter. Don't escalate the matter. क्या मामला है? What is the matter? What is the matter? मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ. I am coming from Delhi. I am coming from the Delhi. गलतियों से सीखो. Learn from mistakes. Learn from mistakes. यह बेकार है. It is useless. It is useless. दरवाजा बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. दरवाजा खोलो. Open the door. Open the door. दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying.